Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another Valentine's Day tutorial. In this video, we have a very special guest. My mom, Manny, is going to show us how she made this super cute Valentine's Day wreath. I hope you all enjoy it. Of course, let me know what you think down below in the comments, and that's it. Let's go.
Hi everyone. We're starting with a 10-inch wire wreath form, and we need to make this into a working form so that we have some place to put our mesh bundles onto the wreath. So I have 12 pipe cleaners, and we're going to attach them to the outer two wires of the form, and we're going to use some glue so they stay in place and won't move around. Okay, so we're going to space them out and put them all the way around the wreath on those bottom two wires. And you only need 12. You won't need any more because we're only making 12 bundles of mesh. So this is what it's supposed to look like when you're all done. And I'm going to use 3 different colors of mesh for the bundles. And they are 10 inches wide and about 10 yards long. So each piece of mesh will be 20 inches long. So you measure it out and you cut it with a rotary cutter. And I won't cut my finger, promise. And so we are going to cut 24 pieces of mesh. So 8 pieces of each color. So now we're going to start making the bundles, and what we do is we start rolling one end, and then I'm going to clothespin it up, and then I'm going to roll the other end, and I will then start to scrunch it together so we have this cute little ruffle, which we will secure in the center with a little pipe cleaner. So we're going to take 2 of these ruffles and stack them on top of each other to make one bundle. We'll make 12 bundles and alternate the colors for each one. So I've got this pink one, and I'll make a white one next, and we will stack those 2 together to make a bundle and secure it with one pipe cleaner. So once you've completed all the bundles, you should have 12 bundles that look like this, and then you can start to put them on the wreath. So those pipe cleaners that you glued down to the wreath form, you're going to put the bundle in the center of that pipe cleaner and secure it. And you'll do that with each bundle, alternating the colors as you go. Just tighten it in the middle. Don't cut that off because we're going to use that to put the ribbon in the middle. Again, you'll do this all the way around the wreath until it's completely filled in and all 12 bundles are secured. So now we're going to do the center for the wreath, and I found this cute little sign, and yes, I put lipstick on the pig. I thought she was so cute. So I'm going to use pipe cleaners in order to put this little sign on the wreath. I don't want to glue it to the mesh because that will ruin the mesh. So we're going to put a pipe cleaner. I'm putting a little knot at the end so it won't pull through when we pull it onto the wreath form. And I'm going to do that on the other side as well. And for the bottom, I'm going to glue a little pipe cleaner in the middle of the back on the bottom, and then I'll secure that with a little piece of felt so it has some extra hold. And then we'll have like 4 little prongs so we can put it on the wreath form. So here it is with all 4 little pieces of pipe cleaner. Now we're going to spread the mesh apart. We're going to put it in the middle in the circle area and turn it over, and we'll find where the pipe cleaners are coming through the back. And then you're just going to take each one and put it through the wires, and then just wrap it for as tight as you want. You might want it to stand up a little bit and put some of the mesh underneath. So don't do it too tight at first until you have it right where you want it to be. It's time to put the ribbon on the wreath. So we have 4 different ribbons. We're going to cut 6 pieces. 6 pieces of each ribbon.
Okay, here's the deal. We're going to do 12 bundles the same way we did the mesh, right? And then we're going to cut 6 pieces of each color ribbon. So you're going to have 24 different pieces of ribbon. For each bundle, you're going to put 2 different colors or patterns of ribbon together, so you'll end up with 12 bundles, which means you need 24 pieces of ribbon. We spent a lot of time doing this math, y'all, so hopefully that makes sense to everybody.
Thank you, my genius daughter. I did need your help with that one. So the ribbons are 12 inches long, and we're just going to cut until we have 6 of each color. So we're going to finish the ends of the ribbon with a little dovetail. So you fold the ribbon in the middle, and then you cut from the end to the center. So it's a little pointed end. And you can cut it at an angle if you want to. I just like the dovetail look. So once we do that, we're going to start putting it on the wreath. And we just alternate the colors and the ribbon. and just go around the wreath until you've put a bundle of ribbon into each bundle of mesh.
And it's the same thing. You use those same pipe cleaners to adhere the ribbon. So you just take those little ends and then twist it around to secure it. It's the same thing. Those pipe cleaners are the MVP of this wreath, I think.
Yeah, they're there to stay for sure. They're holding everything together. So once the ribbon is all on the wreath, we're going to fluff them out and make sure that they can be seen. And you spread out each bundle so that you can see each color that's in the bundle. And then we're going to add a few little embellishments to the wreath. We're going to add these cute little hearts. And I'm just breaking them off so I can glue them to the back of the center there. And then I'm going to, whoop. I lost one. I guess I'll just get it later. But I'm going to glue one to the front. And then I'm going to go back and glue them to the back of that center. Now it's time to add the backing. We're going to cover the back so that we don't scratch the door when we hang it on the door. We have a lot of little pipe cleaners and little things that might catch, and so we're just going to take a piece of felt, cut it out, and then glue it to the back of the wreath. So we've glued it to the back of the wreath, and once that's on, you're all done. And I love how it turned out. It's so cute. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something and that you can make it on your own at home. I enjoyed doing this. It was a lot of fun. And we'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.
Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up down below, subscribe to the channel. You know the drill. And if you want my mom, Manny, to come back, let me know in the comments.
She likes never coming back.
She likes when you ask for her. So, okay, I love you. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Made by Manny and Mal. You can join my mentorship group at the website on your screen. I'd love to have you in the Elite fam. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already so you don't miss any of my new videos. And while you're here, here's another video for you to check out. I want to say a huge thank you to my channel members and my Elite fam members. You guys make this channel possible. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.